Hello and welcome back friends. In this video I will explain you how we can make the single switch on off control in Omron PLC CP1E model. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my CX programmer software and here we create a on off control program. So first of all we will take one input address. For example, I like to start my motor with I0.0 means first switch on off means I0.0 with on and with off. Both we will give the name. For example, this is on and slash off. On and off. Because of we need only just one single switch with start and stop of our motor with the help of counter. So next I will choose my counter, find instructions, and here we can find timer and counter, and the C and T can choose, and here you have to be give the counter number. For example, I give the counter number C0 and value we will give this counter to H2 because of I need two times just on off, one time one push with on and one push with off. And next we will take the close contact of which coil we like to make it on off. For example, 100.0 I will make the on off for my motor. And next one open contact we will take for our C0 because of when counter complete his value, after we need to be must be reset, and how we can make the reset. So C0 will be when 2 completed, after it will be auto make it the reset. So this part is completed, and next part we will take one command, compare command. Go to the find instruction and data compare, and simply we can find the equal command. Equal, yeah, this is equal command, and this equal commands we give the value C0 when equal with 1. For example, equal with 1, so I need to 1 internal memory relay W0. For example, I need to make it on, and here one more command we will take. Here find instruction and data compare, and where is the command? Yeah, this one, the equal command, and C0 when equal with 2, I need to on my internal memory relay W1. So this W0 we will be assigned for here open contact take of the W0, and we will assign our output 100.0. Any you can choose this dependent on your hardware which you make the settings in the program. 100.0 if you make, after you can choose this 100.0 close contact. If you like to change this one 100.1, 2, 4, whatever, this you can be change on your hardware setting. So this program already, this is almost complete. I will download this program to the PLC. First compile here. If you have any zero error, zero warning, after put on the download. Our program is successfully downloaded to the PLC, and now as per seen, now is one value is completed at the x0 counter, and our y100 is now on. As I give one signal, one push, this y100 is now goes to off. So you can see, as I give one more signal, after y100 will be on. Same as function, we can repeat it many times. On, off, on, off, on, off. How many times you like to be make it on, off? This function will be work properly. So this way we can use this the single switch for on off control for any motor or any valve or any actuator, whatever which is defined in your program. So hope guys you will understand about this program. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.